Hey guys, this is my cat, and finally now you get it off, you silly little brat. Yeah, this is my little Kiki. Oh, I'm best kitty ever. No. See what she does. Uh. Oh, you good girl. Oh, let me get off your tail. No. It's evil little brat named Pickles. Oh yeah, guys, if you want to subscribe, leave a like down below too, and yeah, if you want to subscribe, go ahead. Hey, slap that bell to get more notifications. And rub my kitty's tum tum. Yeah, go girl. Are you okay? Watch this. Dun, dun. And I put it back on her. Watch what she does. Nice, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, me. No, kid. Up. No. Leave. Yeah, you good girl. Here. Keep your eye boobies on your eyes. I know, guys, I don't have no freaking GoPro like the other YouTubers. I'm a lot more younger, but yesterday, that was the last day of school, and now I'm going to be spending a lot of time with my dad and cat. I'm really happy, and I really did hate school. Whoa, be careful, baby. Yum, yum, yum. She's like, hey, no, heck to the no, I'm not messing with that piece of shark. Dun dun. Dun dun. Oh yeah, guys, you wanna see what she's really afraid of? Oh, she's smacking him. Oh my god. She's smacking it. She's smacking it. Oh no. What do you do? Oh my god, that is so cute. Oh no, she's gonna get mad. I know it. Doom! Doom! Oh yeah, what's going going on here. That was supposed to be my tent from last night. Dun dun. Nope. No putty cat. Dun 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 dun. No no. Nope. You don't want to go there because you're stone text. Oh no! What's wrong, baby? You're afraid of her. Nope. Yep, she's gone. So yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. Because my tablet is going in, so bye.